Yes, indeed, Sasha, I'm here in Seville, the city where centuries ago great masterminds like Averroes once shaped philosophy and science as we know it today. But now scientists are working on developing technology for the future. Such as in this project that designs autonomous drones with arms to inspect hard-to-reach pipelines and industrial plants.
One of the main advantages is that this human can be seated on the ground, controlling the drone remotely, and he's not at risk being at height. Okay? And the other one, of course, is that we are able, in certain conditions, to perform this operation faster than the traditional methods.
This technology was developed in partnership with Seville's University and the European Commission. The Commission providing the funds, and the University the brains in the move to boost European AI and find future real-world applications.
We include in the project many students. This is very good for them because yes, they work in very advanced technologies, and also this is a first contact with the job market because we are always in contact with all the partners that are from several countries in Europe.
Artificial intelligence means potential growth. But job-wise, according to some studies, it means that most jobs will be somehow affected. 5% are bound to be totally automatable, while 2 positions in 3 have 30% of their tasks potentially done by machines. That raises ethical questions as well as concerns over labor needs.